Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So we're at the amazing amenities center here. This is at the Ashton. It's right across the street from the main building, so I want to show that to you. It's literally right over there. So we were in there chatting with the person that was touring us. There's the valet over there, and then there's the front desk, and then this is the amenities center. So we've already filmed the screening room, but now let's go into the fitness center. So fitness center is here. This is what it looks like. You can see it's got things like looks like there's some wet towels that are in there. That's pretty cool. There is a workout machine here. It has a Smith machine that's here. You do have treadmills that are here also, so plenty of treadmills. You do have a lot of windows. So you got very, very tall windows. This is probably 20 feet tall. So it's a really nice place to get a workout. You do have kind of some weights here and some free weights. And then you do have some dumbbells that are over there at the end. So this is a really nice fitness center here at the Ashton. It's a beautiful area. It's very well lighted and really easy to get a nice workout in here too. Hey, if you have questions about anything that you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.